In continuation of the topic, basic sources of Sharia, this is now the third source, which is known in Arabic as Ijma, while the English is consensus. And as we discuss, first of all, the literal meaning of anything, followed by the standard meaning. So in the same way, initially, the literal meaning of Ijma. Its literal meaning, assembly, gathering together, to add together, or you can say unanimous, yani ittifaq rai. Words are different, but the theme is same. While the standard meaning of Ijma, it is a unanimous agreement of Muslim scholars of the community of a particular age on a certain religious issue which has no clear verdict or more than one possible interpretation in Quran and Sunnah. It's very important to understand about Ijma and make your mind clear, because Ijma is the secondary source of Sharia. And everyone knows the application and its utility. The first important thing in the standard definition of Ijma, it is a unanimous agreement of Muslim scholars. यानी ये इत्तिफाक राय किसी शरी हुक्म पर वो आम इंसान का नहीं बल्कि स्कॉलर्स का होना जरूरी है. Of the community of a particular age on a certain religious issue. The issue should be religious. This is very important. And another important thing related to this issue, which is again religious, but what the problem we are facing, that there is no clear verdict in Quran or Sunnah, number one. And number two, that there is something in Quran and Sunnah, but it includes more than one interpretation. यानी या तो कोई वाज़े हुक्म कुरान और सुन्नत में मौजूद नहीं है, या हुक्म तो मौजूद है मगर उसकी एक से ज्यादा तावीलात की जा सकती हैं. Now conditions for Ijma. Number one, it must not be against Quran. Number two, must not be against Sunnah. Number three, must not be against any principle of Islam. Number four, it must not be against the spirit of Islam. Number five, it must not be must not be, you can say, disadvantageous for the Muslim community, or considering the prevailing culture, customs and traditions. And the last one is very important. When you are doing Ijma, you cannot ignore the large interest of Muslim community. चूंकि जिस चीज पर इत्तेफाक राय होने जा रहा है उसकी एक से ज्यादा तावीलात की जा सकती हैं, तो हम उस तावील की तरफ जाएंगे जिसमें हम एड्रेस करेंगे कि प्रिवेलिंग कल्चर क्या है, जिसमें हम इसे कंसिडर करेंगे कि एनवायरनमेंट क्या कह रही है, जिसमें हम इसे भी कंसिडर करेंगे कि ट्रेडिशंस क्या है.